voiceover video. Today I'm gonna talk about my impression on pravaig's defy and also review its design and share my opinion. Bangalore based automotive startup pravaig showcased their first ever SUV a week ago, which comes with 90 kWh battery which can drive up to 500 km plus range with all modern features in it. Let's talk about the design. My first impression after seeing this car was moderate. At 39 lakh price point, this car doesn't blow me off. It could have been better in terms of design. I will give my opinion on what could be done to improve its appearance. To capture the market, this car quite resembles with Range Rover design, especially for its greenhouse area as I shown in the video. Another thing that catches my eye is its front overhang. It is extended as a front diffuser like a sports car. For an SUV, especially for an all-wheel drive car which can perform off-roading, the approach angle shouldn't be less than 28 degrees, as I mentioned. As a startup owner, I will first think about my own brand identity, my own design language. Here, I will take the P of pravaig and try to implement it on design so that people can recognize easily from far that it's a pravaig coming. While redesigning its face, I will retain its boxy look. Now sit back and enjoy the video. As I said earlier, I will take the P of pravaig and implement it on the headlight as a signature DRL. implement the logo. I hope you liked the video. In second part, I'm gonna redesign the side and the back view.